Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by verifying the basics so recovery is possible. Open Google Drive and immediately switch to the trash folder. Deleted photos live there for about 30 days. Once there, scan file names and thumbnails. Use search filters like type, image, and date to narrow results. If you find the photo, select it and click Restore to return it to my drive. Make sure to double-check account profiles if you don't see expected files, because many people are in the wrong account. Once trash has been checked, move on to secondary locations where photos might live. Search Drive with type, image, and add date ranges to find overlooked files. Then check Google Photos' recently deleted folder in case Sync separated them. If the photo belonged to a shared folder, inspect Shared with Me and any shared drives. For work or school accounts, contact your Google Workspace admin to use the admin console or Google Vault for recovery. These tools finish by recovering found files and creating redundancy. Select photos and download copies to local storage or another cloud account, then restore items to organized folders in Drive. If nothing appears and it's been more than 30 days, immediately contact Google Drive support or your Workspace admin. Do not delay because permanent deletion becomes irreversible. As a troubleshooting tip, when Sync behaves oddly, pause and restart Backup and Sync or Google Photos Sync, and verify storage quotas to resolve hidden sync conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.